Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is Friday, December 27th. This is the last Friday of the year. And as you can see here from the news, we've got about 5 minutes to go before goods trade balance and the preliminary wholesale inventories gets released. These are yellow items, which are low impact items. And I don't expect them to make any impact on the market at all. At 10:30, we have natural gas storage, and at 1 p.m., crude oil inventories. So remember, these natural gas storage and crude oil inventories are usually Wednesday and Thursday uh, reports, but they come out on Friday when we have a holiday. So we had a holiday on Wednesday with Christmas, so there's why we have natural gas and crude oil inventories coming out today. Crude oil inventories obviously is a orange item, which is medium impact, will affect those oil futures. So there you have it. Taking a look at the charts, we had looking in hindsight, we can see we had 3 days up. Remember, we always talk about the market loving threes, fives, sevens, and 12s. Threes are the most common. So we had a little bit of a doji down day yesterday, and we are gapping down as we speak. Volume is typical for holiday, very low volume. Really nothing to write home about other than we are now below the moving averages. So that's bearish. Um, that being said, we really haven't broken the major, the major trend lines. So where could we go? We could easily test this. I think this is the 100-day moving average around 60.35, and it could easily break that. I think once we get below Tuesday is low at 6,029. We get below 6,000, it could get ugly. On the upside, the sky is kind of the limit. I would say this coming back up to this high from this down day, big down day of 61.47. We can get above that. That's kind of what I'm watching for. Inventory yesterday was negative on negative price action, although minimal negative price action, but inventory was pretty negative, 13, almost 14,000 contracts. So, it is correlated, so you're not supposed to worry about it, but this might be the beginning of the get out while you can. Let's see, overnight action. Overnight action is about 25, 26 points. That's just slightly above average, and you can see that pretty much from the get-go, we have been going downtrend overnight. Where's the major levels of interest? On the top side, I would say this 6092 area has a lot of confluence. The 6100 will be your whole number, big number. The 6107, I think, was yesterday's high. 6115, 6140 are some major levels above us for resistance. Support, on the other hand, there isn't a lot of good support until you get down to that 6050 area, 6040. I'm going to say 6022-ish. Of course, 6,000 is going to be a whole number, very much watched by all. And you can see that below the 6,000 number, there's a major level at 59.90. So there you have the levels. Stock Traders Almanac for today is 47.6. 47.6. So we do have a negative expectancy on the last Friday of the year. And that 47.6 comes from the Stock Traders Almanac. Hope you have a great day. We'll see you Monday. Happy trading. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com. Thanks.